So Phil, this is one huge project. You've built this house from scratch. And one of the things that you wanted here was a boiling water tap.
Oh, that definitely in my plans right from word go, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Well, something I've known about for quite a few years.
Yeah.
And so I only thought about really having it when I had my own place.
Yeah, so when you're building your own house, you thought one of the things I want to have is a boiling water tap. And obviously you went for Kettle.
Yep.
Was there a reason you went for Kettle over any other brand?
Well, no, I went for Kettle. I didn't really look at any other brands. I was aware of Kettle. I'd known about it for several years and had done a bit of research on it before. Yeah. And that's why.
A local brand.
And a local company, that's right. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
so
right.
Local.
I want to support local, and I've tried to support local much as I can on my build.
Yeah, and obviously everything in this house is modern and beautiful, so obviously the tap fits in beautifully here.
Yeah, definitely.
Have you put it to use yet? Have you had a chance to use it?
Oh yes, yeah.
Yeah? And how do you find it?
All the time. Very easy to use.
Yeah.
And say a whole new meaning to say putting the kettle on.
Yeah,
Because it's lovely. It's so instant, obviously. Yeah. And whereas before it's a case of, kettle, put the kettle on to put it on, and then you go away for 5 minutes, then you come back, make tea.
Now your tea is just ready straight away.
Well, virtually, that's right. Yeah. Always let it brew a bit first, of course.
Of course.
Yes.
But I've noticed several workmen dotted around. I imagine they've realised they can get tea quite quickly. Are they on your case?
Well, that's right, yes, that's right, yeah, on the case. Of course they are, constantly, that's right.
Always asking for a tea break.
That's right, yeah. Well, particularly Richard, he's the worst one.
Talk of the devil. Talk of the devil.
Okay. Tea?
Yes, please.
He's here for his tea break.
Okay.
How many times a day is this happening there, Richard?
5.
Yeah. Well, it's so much easier now.
Do you get any work done in between the tea breaks? It's so quick though, isn't it? I mean, you're not stopping to boil a kettle. It's instant, isn't it? So straightforward. Look how easy that is.
Okay.
So Phil's first, experience of having a hot water tap, and you're having to make several rounds of tea a day. It would seem.
I think it's because of the novelty for them as well. Yes.
Yeah.
Not just for me.
Yeah.
Thank
There you
very
go.
much.
Okay. Well earned.
Cheers.
Cheers.